Hey there, are you dealing with a broken Anker Lightning cable and wondering about options to fix it? You're in the right place. This guide will take you through step-by-step methods on how to fix a broken Anker Lightning cable, helping you save time and potentially some money. Before diving in, remember safety first. Always ensure your cable is unplugged and not connected to any electrical source before attempting repairs. Step 1. Inspection and assessment. The first step in fixing a broken Anker Lightning cable is to carefully inspect and assess the damage. Check for frayed wires, damaged connectors, or broken insulation. Sometimes simply identifying the problem can lead to an easy fix, such as repositioning a bent connector or applying electrical tape to minor wear and tear. Step 2. Gather repair tools. Once you've identified the issue, gather the necessary repair tools. Common tools include electrical tape, heat shrink tubing, a heat gun or lighter, small screwdrivers, and wire cutters. Having the right tools on hand will simplify the repair process and increase the chances of a successful fix. Step 3. Repair frayed or damaged wiring. If your Anker Lightning cable has frayed or exposed wiring, you can repair it with electrical tape or heat shrink tubing. First, carefully trim any damaged wire with wire cutters. Then, slide a piece of heat shrink tubing over the exposed wire. Make sure it's big enough to cover the damaged area. Use a heat gun or lighter to shrink the tubing around the wire, creating a protective seal. This method often restores the cable's functionality and extends its lifespan. Step 4. Fixing a broken connector. If the connector of the Anker Lightning cable is the problem, such as being bent or loose, you might need to replace it. Purchase a replacement Lightning connector that matches your cable. Carefully cut open the cable near the defective connector, being cautious not to damage the internal wires. Solder the new connector to the existing wires following the manufacturer's instructions, ensuring each wire is correctly aligned and connected. This step requires some precision, so take your time and double check your connection. Step 5. Reinforce and test your cable. Once the primary repair is done, reinforce your Anker Lightning cable by wrapping additional electrical tape or adding a flexible cable connector near the stress points. These reinforcements can prevent future wear and extend the cable's life. After reinforcing, it's crucial to test the cable. Connect it to your device and a power source to ensure the repair was successful and that it charges as expected. Repairing a broken Anker Lightning cable is entirely possible with some patience, right tools, and basic DIY skills. From inspecting the damage to replacing a connector, these steps describe how to fix a broken Anker Lightning cable effectively. By following this guide, you can save your cable from the trash and avoid the cost of a new one while being mindful of safety precautions. Happy repairing, and may your cable's life be long and functional.